Hello, welcome to lesson 13. In this lesson, I'll be doing further modification to the house details view. So I'm going to add a derived column called FullAddress to the house details view, HouseFullDetailsView. I'm also going to update the Blazor App data service and model. I'm also going to generate a Blazor List Component that will allow application users to browse and search for house addresses in the estate. So what I'm going to do now is I'll head over to SQL Server Management Studio. I'll expand databases. Then I'm going to expand Estate Society DB. Then I'm going to expand Views folder. So I'm going to right click on HouseFullDetailsView. So from the context menu, I'm going to select Script View As, then I'm going to select Alter to New Query Editor. So now, this is the alter script that has been generated for me. Now, I'm going to now create the derived field. So I'll put a comma here. So I'm going to say houses dot street number plus empty string plus streets dot street name. Now I'm going to give the derived column an alias. So we use the as keyword to give an alias. So as full address. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to now click execute. Let me pause the video a bit. Okay, now that the command has been executed successfully, I will go back to the Blazor app. I'll click on data. Sorry, let me reduce the view. Let me say zoom out. So, okay. Let me start again. Click cancel. So like I said, I'll click on data. I'll select the existing data source, which is Estate Society DB. I'll click next. I'm going to check optimistic concurrency. The view has been selected before, so I'll click next again. I want to generate pages for CRUD operations now, so I'm going to select CRUD. Then I'll click on next. Now I do not want to overwrite any existing file, so I make sure that I uncheck that. Then the only entity I'm going to select this time around is HouseFullDetail entity. Yes, I want to be able to export to CSV. I want to be able to do this. I don't want to be able to edit. I don't want to be able to insert. I do not want to be able to delete. Date format will be dd/mm. Then I'll click finish. Let me pause the video a bit. So now the app has finished scaffolding. If you open the client project and we go to pages, we should see a new page called HouseFullDetails. So this is the new component for HouseFullDetails and double that has just been generated. So now let me run the app. But before I run the app, let's see what we have on the HouseFullDetails page. So you have house ID, street number, and some other columns. Let's run the app. So I click run. I'm going to pause the video. So now let me log in with the password of aminu.bello@superadmin.ng. Sorry, the username of aminu.bello@superadmin.ng, and then the password will be password_1. Then I'm going to click login. So I'm being asked to verify that it is me. So I'm going to go to my ethereum.email box. So I'm going to go to my messages folder. So I'll click on your single use code. So I have 232666. So 232666. Now, okay, let's register some houses. So I'll click on houses right now. So I'm going to click on add. So here I cannot see Benjamin Ferdinand Street. I want to register a house on Benjamin Ferdinand Street. So I'm going to search for Benjamin. As I type BE, you can see Benjamin Ferdinand Street has come up. So I select Benjamin Ferdinand Street, house number 1. So I click save. So an house has been registered on that street. So let me click add again. Let's register a house on Adetokunbo Ademola Crescent. So the street number for this will be 49. So let's click save. So we have 2 houses registered in the app. Now scrolling down, if I click on HouseFullDetails, there's an error. So what's the error? Says conversion failed when converting the value, the end backer value, Benjamin Ferdinand Street, to data type int. Let me see. View, zoom out. Let me look at the model for HouseFullDetails first of all. So I'll go to the server project. I'll expand the server project. So this is models. I open X-State Society DB. Now let's look at the model for HouseFullDetails. Oh, this is the issue. HouseFullAddress is being displayed as int. Let's go back to our query here. The query we ran earlier on. So I'm going to change this to convert let me do something like this. Convert nvaka max nvaka max So I'm converting the street number to, which is an integer right now, I'm converting it to vaka. That's the changes I've just made. So let's click execute again. So let me click execute. Now I'm going to stop the app. I'm going to now generate the data model again. So I'll click next. I'm going to say override existing files here. Then I'll click next. Generate pages for CRUD. Next. Then I'm only going to override HouseFullDetails CRUD page. I'll click finish. So you can see that the property for full address has now changed from nullable integer to string. So let's run our app again. So the app has started again. I'm going to click on HouseFullDetails now. Now there are no errors. So the full details of the houses are now being displayed. I have the house, the first house, the street number is 1, the street name is Benjamin Fadina Street, and the full address is 1 Benjamin Fadina Street. Second house, the street number is 49, the street name is Adetokunbo Ademola Crescent, and the full address is 49 Adetokunbo Ademola Crescent. Thank you for watching.